If you're having a Canva login problem, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve it fast. Whether Canva is not accepting your password, the page keeps loading, or you just can't get signed in, these steps can help you get back into your account without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and easy how-to guides. Let's start with the most basic step first. Check your login credentials carefully. Make sure you are using the correct email address and password for your Canva account. A lot of login issues happen because of a small typing mistake, an old email, or a password that was changed recently. If you use autofill, double check that your browser is not entering the wrong information. Try typing the email and password manually just to be sure. If your credentials are correct and Canva still will not let you in, the next thing to try is resetting your password. On the Canva login page, click Login, then select Forgot Password. Canva will send you a password reset email to the address linked to your account. Open that email, follow the reset link, and create a new password. After that, go back to Canva and try signing in again with the updated password. This step fixes a lot of sign-in problems, especially if you recently forgot your password or haven't used the account in a while. If the login page is still not working, refresh the page and try again. Sometimes the issue is temporary and a simple refresh can clear loading errors or session problems. If you're on a computer, use the refresh button in your browser or press the refresh shortcut. Then try logging in once more. It may seem basic, but this can solve issues caused by a stuck page or a broken session. Next, check your internet connection speed. A slow or unstable connection can stop Canva from loading properly or prevent the login process from completing. Open a new tab in your browser and search for a speed test. Run the speed test and see if your internet is working normally. If the connection is weak, wait a minute and test again, or try moving closer to your router if you're on Wi-Fi. If your internet speed looks bad or Canva still won't open correctly, switch networks. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try using your mobile hotspot. If you're on hotspot already, try switching back to Wi-Fi. This helps you figure out whether the problem is with your current network. In many cases, a different network can immediately fix login issues if the original connection is unstable or blocked. If Canva still doesn't let you log in after trying all of these steps, it may help to close the browser completely and open it again before retrying. You can also try using a different browser if needed, just to rule out browser-specific problems. But in most cases, checking your credentials, resetting your password, refreshing the page, testing your internet, and switching networks will solve the issue. So to quickly recap, if you have a Canva login problem, first check your email and password, then reset your password if needed, refresh the page, test your internet speed, and switch between Wi-Fi and hotspot to see if the network is causing the issue. Follow these steps one by one, and you should be able to get back into Canva much faster. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.